तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा डॉक्टर फैसल हाशमी का कहना है कि कलभूषण के मामले पर पाकिस्तान ने इंसानी हमदर्दी दिखाई है। मेहमानों को इज्जत और एहतराम के साथ ट्रीट किया गया। कलभूषण से अहले खाना की मुलाकात करवाने का मकसद पूरा हुआ है। मुलाकात करवाने की बुनियाद इंसानी हमदर्दी थी। मुलाकात 30 मिनट की थी, लेकिन दरख्वास्त पर 10 मिनट मजीद बढ़ाए गए। तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग देते हुए कहना था,
took place on 25th December 2017 here in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, as you are well aware. The purpose of the visit was to have a meeting on humanitarian grounds of Commander Yadav with his wife and mother, which was successfully achieved despite all impediments. I have to repeat this sentence. The purpose was to have a meeting of Commander Yadav with his wife and mother. This purpose was successfully achieved despite all impediments. This needs to be acknowledged, if not appreciated. The meeting, initially scheduled for 30 minutes, lasted 40 minutes, and it was extended on their request. The success of the meeting is evident by the fact that the mother of Commander Yadav thanked me, my team, and Pakistan here at the front door in front of all of you for the visit.
भारत की जानिब से आए दिन इल्जामात पर अफसोस का इजहार करते हुए डॉक्टर फैसल हाशमी ने कहा,
The Indian allegations coming 24 hours after the visit are baseless, counterproductive, and regrettable. They vitiate the atmosphere and can distort a goodwill gesture which can be better used for mutual good. It is essential to note that humanitarian gesture does not obviate the fact that this was not an ordinary meeting between a mother and wife with their son and husband. The reality remains that Commander Yadav is a convicted Indian terrorist and spy responsible for multiple deaths and destruction in Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान और भारत के दरमियान जामे सिक्योरिटी के हवाले से गुफ्तगू करते हुए तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ने कहा,
A comprehensive security check was essential. This was agreed between both the countries in advance through diplomatic channels. The visitors were treated with respect and dignity. The cloth change and removal of jewelry, ornaments, etc. was purely for security reasons. The visitors changed into their own clothes after the meeting. All their belongings were returned to them before they left. The shoe of Commander Yadav's wife was retained as it did not clear the security check. The purpose of the meeting was not the shoe, as against what Indian media has made it.
कलभूषण यादव की उनके अहले खाना से मुलाकात पर बात करते हुए तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा डॉक्टर फैसल हाशमी का कहना था,
was explained to the visitors and the Indian Deputy High Commissioner, who raised no objection at any point. आपके सामने थे जब गए. Commander Yadav is a spy and a terrorist. The meeting was not allowed to be conducted in Marathi due to security reasons. There is nothing sinister in that. They spoke comfortably in English for about 40 minutes, which is duly recorded. Again, India was pre-informed that the meeting would be recorded. ये भी पहले बता, लिख कर बता. The mother was allowed to say a short prayer in Hindi or Marathi, we don't know, but she was allowed to do that. Many routine airport security checks for ordinary people entail removal of Christian crosses and Muslim veils. Airport पे उतारना पड़ता है, routine बात. Trying to distort an agreed security check and attempting to portray it as a deliberate religious cultural disrespect denotes bad faith and is regrettable.
पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्तबा हालात हाजरा के मुख्तसर मगर जामे प्रोग्राम्स, खबरों, तबसरों के अलावा दीगर समाजी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती, मजहबी, तालीमी, सेहत और बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स सिर्फ TNN TV पर।